This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by David Tester. Spacious and fresh and updated. 3-bedroom/2-bath home west/open living dining room, sunroom and kitchen. Refreshingly readied for the new owner. Total kitchen and bathroom renovation. New washer, dryer and refrigerator will be installed prior to closing. Recently replaced roof. Recessed lighting and ceiling fans. Fresh paint inside and out. Hardwood and hard tile throughout. Carport plus 2-car parking pad in front. Large, flat, fenced rear yard. Conveniently located for all East Memphis locations. For more information, review the details below or contact David Tester at 901-682-1868.